failed the Kisan completely, and it failed when it comes to the farm policy. And he says that the government now needs to think for the farmers and for the milk industry and for the small businesses as well, because they, in any chance, should not be compromised as far as their interests are concerned. The opposition, however, continues to question the government, especially when it comes to citing that there has been close relations, there has been hugs and handshakes that has been taking place with the United States leadership. Now, what changed? What changed? If Donald Trump's main theme as far as his campaign pitch was concerned to make America great again, then for India it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who thinks of Viksit Bharat, or thinks of making India great again. However, with these developments that have been taking place, the Prime Minister says, well, fine, so be it, I am ready. When it comes to the personal equation is concerned, it can be set aside. He's ready to pay the price for it. But when it comes to the interests of his own people, his own Kisan, his farmers, the small businesses, there will be no compromise. And this seems to be reflecting as far as in the statement that has been issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, where it has called out as far as these additional tariffs as unreasonable and unjustified. But the opposition back home, this is the way they are trying to corner the center on this issue.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ये बात 10 साल पहले सोचना था कि हमें अपने किसानों के हित के लिए, खेतीबाड़ी के लिए, दूध और दूध के बने हुए तमाम पदार्थों को लेकर के हमें हमेशा चिंतित रहना चाहिए और प्राथमिकता पर हमें अपने हर सेक्टर का ध्यान रखना है। उद्योग खत्म हो जाए, उद्योगपति कारोबार खत्म हो जाए, किसान बर्बाद हो जाए, नौजवान को नौकरी रोजगार न मिले, तो हमारा देश जा कहाँ रहा है? जो लोग ये दावा करते थे कि दुनिया में सबसे मजबूत रिश्ते हैं, कोई देश ऐसा नहीं छूटा होगा जहां पर भारत को सम्मान न मिला हो, उसके बाद आज ये कहना पड़ रहा हो सरकार को, तो ये बड़े दुखद है।